In this question, the projection of a line on the axis are 2, 3, 6. Find the length of the line and the direction cosines. So we know that if we know that AB be the line segment of line AB and CD be the another line, then projection of AB line segment on CD is A dash B dash is equal to AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between AB and CD line. We know that if AB is the line segment of any line AB and CD be the another line, then the projection of line segment AB on line CD can be written as AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between the line AB and CD. Here the projection of any line on the axis are 2, 3, 6. Suppose that this is z axis, this is x axis and this is y axis. Here O be the origin, AB be any line, and we know that this line AB makes angle alpha with the positive direction of x axis. This AB line makes angle beta with the positive direction of y axis. Then this line AB makes angle gamma with the positive direction of z axis. So projection of AB on x axis can be written as projection of AB on x axis. This is given 2, and we know that projection of AB on x axis is AB cos alpha, where alpha is the angle between the line AB and x axis. Similarly, projection of AB on y axis, this is equal to 3, and projection of AB on y axis, this can be written as AB cos beta is equal to 3, because here angle between the AB line and y axis is given by beta. Again, projection of AB on z axis, this is equal to given by 6, and projection of AB on z axis can be written as AB cos gamma is equal to 6. This is given. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर AB एक लाइन है जो कि x एक्सिस से अल्फा एंगल फॉर्म करती है, तो AB लाइन का x एक्सिस पर प्रोजेक्शन होगा AB cos अल्फा विच इज गिवन बाय 2. AB लाइन y एक्सिस से पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से बीटा एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है, तो AB लाइन का y एक्सिस पर प्रोजेक्शन होगा 3, यानी AB cos बीटा इज इक्वल टू 3. Similarly, AB line makes angle gamma with positive direction of z axis. So projection of AB on z axis is AB cos gamma is equal to 6. Now adding square of 1, square of 2 and square of 3, we get here AB square cos square alpha plus AB square cos square beta plus AB square cos square gamma. This is equal to 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So we take common here AB square, we get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 36. And we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, this is equal to 1, because we know that is sum of the squares of the direction cosine of any line equal to 1. So here we write AB square 1 is equal to 36 plus 4 plus 9, this is 49. So here we write AB is equal to square root of 49, that is 7. So the length of this line AB is 7. Now we put here a value of AB in equation 1, 2 and 3, get cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. When we put here value of AB in equation 1, so we get cos alpha is equal to 2 by 7, cos beta is equal to 3 by 7 and cos gamma is equal to 6 by 7. So these are the direction cosine of the line which is given by 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. Thank you.